in the coming months, you're going to see a bunch of videos, longer form, where I dig deep into the process of ordering wines at a restaurant, whether that's a steakhouse, an Italian restaurant, a French restaurant, or just even out for a real casual meal. There's a way to attack wine lists, and there's a way to order wines without it being a stressful process. I'm going to arm you with a whole bunch of tips and tricks, and I was curious though, so I can tailor the content to what you need. If you could let me know in the comments what you like or don't like about ordering wine in a restaurant, and if you have any challenges that you've experienced personally, and you'd like me to give that some thought. Thanks so much.